Some piston groups arrive like a matched set. This is not that group. This week we have a Maule M5, a Beechcraft Duke B60, a Cessna 180K Skywagon, and a Mooney M20J moving through the disassembly hangar. This Maule came to BAS after a braking issue during landing brought its flying chapter to a close. That is the arrival story. The useful story starts in the shop. As disassembly progresses, the recovery list includes the Lycoming O-540-J1A5D, Hartzell 2-blade propeller hardware, an Aspen EFD1000 MAX, a PS Engineering PMA8000G audio panel, King avionics, a Garmin GI-106A indicator, Skybeacon ADS-B equipment, 31-inch bushwheel tires, and ABI wheel and brake components. Maule-specific parts are not always waiting politely on a shelf. That makes this aircraft worth watching as individual components are recovered and listed. Next, we have the Beechcraft Duke B60. This aircraft came to BAS after a gear-related landing event ended its time as a complete airplane. Now the focus shifts to recovering the systems and aircraft-specific components that still matter to Duke owners and shops. The current recovery list includes two Lycoming TIO-541E1C4 engines, two Hartzell propellers, a landing gear motor, Cleveland wheels and brakes, boundary layer research winglets, Collins navigation and communication equipment, a Collins audio panel, King radar and transponder equipment, and a Trimble GPS. Duke parts tend to be specific, complex, and deeply unimpressed by improvision. Next, we have the Cessna that never took off its work boots. This Cessna 180K came to BAS after a forced landing in a field ended its flying career as a complete aircraft. The recovery list includes a P-Ponk converted O470-50 engine, a Hartzell 3-blade propeller hub, Garmin GTN 650XI navigation and communication equipment, a GTX 345 ADS-B transponder, a GFC 500 autopilot system, Garmin servos and GI 275 indicators, an Electronics International CGR30 engine monitor, a PS Engineering PMA8000G audio panel, tailwheel hardware, reinforcement components, and other Skywagon-specific equipment. The Skywagon fleet is still working. These components have somewhere useful to go. Now we have the 201 that refused to waste air. It did not rely on an oversized engine to make the speed work. Mooney cleaned up the airframe, reduced drag, and built one of the most recognizable personal travel airplanes in the piston fleet. This M20J came to BAS after a nose gear issue brought its time as a complete aircraft to an end. Through disassembly, we've recovered a Lycoming IO360A3B60, Macaulay 2-blade propeller hardware, a Tailbeacon ADS-B transmitter, two King KX170B radios, a King KN64DME, a King KT76A transponder, Sentry 3 autopilot components, Cleveland wheels and brakes, the landing gear actuator, rosin visors, LED wingtip lighting, and an Electronics International FP5 fuel flow indicator. The whole airplane is finished flying. The M20J specific hardware still has a lot of useful work ahead. Contact BAS today if you see something that you need.